Hello children, so welcome back to maths class. Today also we are going to discuss the playing with numbers. Okay, this is the part 2. So last class we have discussed about the prime numbers and composite numbers. Do you remember that children? So let me ask you now what you mean by the prime numbers. Please can you tell me children what you mean by the prime numbers? Yes, prime numbers are nothing but those numbers which are having only two factors, are known as the prime numbers. That is nothing but one is 1 and the other one is the number itself. So such things are known as the prime numbers. And coming to the composite numbers. What do you mean by the composite numbers, children? Composite numbers are nothing but the numbers which are having more than two factors. Numbers which are having more than two factors are known as the composite numbers. Understood now? Yes, prime numbers. Now, let me show you which are the prime numbers within 1 to 10. So, within 1 to 10, that is 1 to 10, how many prime numbers we will get? Let us see. And first, so we will take 1. Is it a one prime number, children? No, 1 is not a prime number, even it is not a composite number. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. That means 1 is not a prime number, even it is not a composite number. So it won't belong to any category. Not a prime number, even not a composite number. Understood now? 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number. So we cannot consider as 1 as a prime number, even as a composite number. Okay? Yes, let us coming to 2. Yes, 2 is the prime number. Why? Because you can find 2 in only 2 tables. That is in 1's table. 1 2's are 2 and in 2's table. 2 1's are 2. Other than that, you won't find anywhere in any table. Okay, so 2 is a prime number. That means what? 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. Understood? And 2 is even number also. It is an even number. It is an even number. 2 is an even number. Which is even. Okay. Now, 3's table. We'll move on to 3's table. 3 is also a prime number because you can find 3 in only 2 tables. That is in 1's table and in 3's table. 3. What about 4? You can find 4 in 1's table, 2's table, 4's table. So, is it a prime number then? No, it is not a prime number. Coming to 5. 5 is a prime number, children? Yeah, because you can find in only 2 tables. That is in 1's table and in 2's table. 5's table. 5. What about 6? 6 you can find in 1's table, in 2's table and 3's table, right? And then in 6's table. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Coming to 7. Yeah, 7 is a prime number because you can find in only 2 tables. That is in 1's table and 7's table. 7. What about 8? 8 is not a prime number, it is a composite number because you can find that in 1's table, 2's table, 4's table and in 8's table. Coming to 9. 9 also a composite number because you can find it in 1's table, 3's table and 9's table. Coming to 10. 10 is also a composite number. Why? Because you can find it in 1's table, 2's table, 5's table and even 10's table. So, these are the prime numbers which we will get within 10. Okay, which we will get within 10. That is 2, 3, 5, 7. Yes, here one more point I want to say. That is nothing but all the prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. Okay, all the prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. Okay, so these are the points you have to keep it in mind. Let me repeat. 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number. So 1 is not belongs to any category, either a prime number category or a composite number category. So 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. So 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the even number. So and all the prime numbers are odd numbers. All the prime numbers are odd numbers but except 2 is the even number. So that is also a smallest prime number but it is an even number. That is what the difference. Now we understood about the prime numbers and the composite numbers. I hope you have understood. Now let us move on to the sum. So now look at the board, children. So here we are going to discuss the exercise 3.2. Let me read the first question. Okay. What is the sum of any two odd numbers and b even numbers? So now we have to find what is the sum of any two odd numbers. Sum means what? Addition answer. So when you are adding the two odd numbers, what you will get? Whether the answer is an odd number or even number, that you have to find out now. So let me take the example. Answer. Two odd number. I can take any two odd number. So I'll go with 11. 11 is an odd number. You know that, right? To this I will add 13, which is also a odd number. So 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer I got it as 24. So this is odd. Even this is also a odd. But the answer is even. So you know that what you mean by the odd numbers and even numbers, right? You already studied that. Yes. So 4 is nothing but the even number. So the answer is even. Next here we see even numbers. Sum of two even numbers. So even numbers. Let me take 52 plus 16. So both are also even number. Let me add now. 2 plus 6, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. So this is a even one. Even this is also a even number. And look at the answer. Even the answer also a even number. Now we understood? The sum of two odd number is even number. The sum of two even number is also a even number. Now we understood how to do the first name. We'll move on to the second one. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. So 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits. Yeah, both the numbers you can say to the same digits. 1, 3, 3, 1. That is 1 and 3. Yes, of course. Find such pairs. Now we have to find such pairs. So there you can say the same digits. Here 1 is there, here 1 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there. That is nothing but 1 and 3 are there in both the numbers. So now we have to find the pairs like that. Yes, that is also even number. That should be the even number. Okay. So let me go with 71. 71 is a prime number. And 17. Even the 17 also a prime number. So here you see both the numbers are same. Yes? Yes. Now let me take 73. Okay? Yes. Here 37 is also a prime number. Understood? 71 is also a prime number. 17 also a prime number. Both the numbers are made up of 1 and 7, right? And here 73 is a prime number. 37 is also a prime number. So here you can see the digits 7 and 3. Yes? Now one more example. Let me give you one more example. 97, which is a prime number. And 79 also a prime number. Here you can find the digits 7 and 9. So how many pairs they have asked you? Yes, both these are numbers. Find such pairs. You have to find such pairs. So I have given the 3 examples. So remaining you have to do yourself. Now we understood how to find the pair of the prime numbers. Yeah, in this way you can find the pairs of the prime numbers. Understood now? Yeah, let us move on to the next name. Yes, children, now look at the board. Now we are going to discuss the third sum. Write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. So now we have to write down the prime and the composite numbers separately. Okay. So let us see how to write. That is less than 20. Okay. Answer. Here comes the prime numbers and here it comes the composite numbers. Okay. Yes. So they have given less than 20. Less than 20. So let us start from 1. 1 is which number? Is it a prime number or composite number, children? It is not a prime number, even it is not a composite number. So 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number. So we can't write here or here. Yes. Move on to the next number, 2. 2 is which number? It is a prime number or composite number, children? It is a prime number. We already studied 2 is the smallest prime number. Yes, coming to the next number, 3. 3 is a prime number or composite number, children? 3 is a prime number. 4. 4 is a prime number or composite number? 4 is a composite number. 4. What about 5? 5 is a prime number. 6, composite number. 7, prime number. 8, composite number. Because you can find these numbers more than 2 tables. Right? Yes. 9, composite number. 10, composite number. 11, prime number. 12, composite number. 13, prime number. 14, composite number. 15, composite number. 16, composite number. 17, prime number. 18, composite number. 19, prime number. 20, composite number. These are the prime numbers and composite numbers. Because prime numbers, these numbers you can observe in only 2 tables, that is in one table and the number itself. But these are the numbers you can find in more than 2 tables, because these are the numbers having the more than 2 factors. But these numbers having only 2 factors. Here you can see the smallest prime number, that is 2, and here you can see the smallest composite number, that is 4. Just keep it in mind. The smallest prime number is 2, the smallest composite number is 4. Understood, children? I hope you have understood this. Move on to the next one. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So now you have to tell me greatest prime number between 1 and 10. We have already written the prime numbers. So it will come till here. Between 10, 1 and 10 given. So 2, 3, 5, 7. In this, which one is the greatest one? 7 is the greatest one. So the answer is 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Okay? Yes. Let us see the fifth means. Express the following as the sum of 2 odd numbers. Now we have to express them as sum of the 2 odd numbers. Means we have to add 2 odd numbers and we have to get this as the answer. How can we do this? Solution. Yes, 44. So we have to add 2 odd numbers. Odd numbers. How can we do that? Tell me. Okay, let me go with the 41, which is the odd number, plus 3. 41 plus 3 is equal to 44. Understood? In this way you have to express this. Coming to the 36. How can I do that? I can do like this. 31 plus 31 plus 5. So that is nothing but 36. Okay? Yes, 31 is an odd number, 5 is also an odd number. So you will get 36. Here 41 is an odd number, 3 is also an odd number. So that you can get 44. Coming to the next number, 18. So what you have to do? I can split them as 11 plus 7. Where you can find 11 is an odd number, even the 7 is also an odd number. 11 plus 7 is makes 18. So in this way you have to add, express them. How you have to expand and express like this? That is, when you are expressing, you have to keep it in mind that both the numbers should be odd number. So here 41 is odd, 3 is odd, 31 is odd, 5 is odd, 11 is odd, 7 is odd. So like this way you have to express this. Understood now how to do? So I hope you will do the remaining sum yourself. Okay, children, you can do it any way. You can do it in any way. Here 18 is there. You can do it as 9 plus 9. Even the 9 is also an odd number. Yes, like that also you can do. Okay, yes. Or else how can do? You can do this as 13 plus 5 also. Let me show you. 9 plus 9 also you can do because both are odd number. You can do this as 13 plus 5 also. That is also an odd number. Now you understood, children, how to do? I hope you have understood. Okay, so let us move on to the next main. Children, now look at the board, children. We're going to discuss the sixth main. So here what they have given, let us see. Give three pairs of prime numbers. So you have to give three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Whose difference should be 2. You have to give two pairs of prime numbers. So let us see how to write. Two pairs of prime numbers. So let me write 7 is a prime number, 5 is also a prime number. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Then you can write 13 minus 11, where you can find 13 also a prime number, 11 is also a prime number. So it is nothing but difference is 2. And here 19 minus 17, where you can find both the numbers are prime numbers. Okay, that is also a 2. Okay, so these are nothing but the prime numbers whose difference is 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 is also a prime number, 5 is also a prime number. 13 minus 11, which is also a 2. 19 minus 17, which is also 2. Here both the numbers are prime numbers. Understood now how to write? Yes, now let us move on to the next question. Which of the following numbers are prime? So here you have to see which of the following numbers are prime numbers. So 23. Which number is this, children? This is an odd number. So we already discussed that 23 is a prime number because it will appear only in two tables, that is in 1's table and 23's table. So it is a prime number. Okay. Next, 51. Which table, which number it is? It is not a prime number because you can find this 51 even in 17's table also. So it will appear in 1's table, 3's table, 17's tables and so on. So it is not a prime number. 37, yes, 37 is a prime number because it will appear only in two tables, that is in 1's table and in 37's table. 26 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. You can find this in 2's table, 13's table, 1's table, 26's table and so on. Okay, yes, so this is not a prime number. So which are the prime numbers now? 23 and 37 are the prime numbers. Understood, children? Yes, now let us move on here. So here what they have given, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number in between them. So now you have to write consecutive composite numbers. Consecutive means continuous composite number and there should not be any prime number in between. There should not be any prime number in between. So let us see. Answer. So if you want to write, you have to write it from 90 onwards. If you start from 90, you will get the consecutive composite numbers. There is no prime numbers between this. Okay, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, these are the consecutive composite numbers less than 100 and there is no prime number between these numbers. So these are the composite numbers. Understood, children? And there is no prime numbers between them. I hope you have understood. So let us see this. Yes, express the following as sum of 3 odd prime numbers. 3 odd prime numbers. We have to express this as sum of the 3 odd prime numbers. So how to do this? Means we have to write 3 odd numbers. 3 odd numbers. So how to do this, children? That is also prime number. One thing you have to keep it in mind. It should be odd number and it should be the prime numbers also. Okay? Yes. Then what we have to do? Tell me, children, what we have to do? Yes, let us do this. So let me take the first number as 7. Okay? 7 is an odd number? Yes, 7 is an odd number. Then I will add 3 to this. So 3 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number and also a prime number. 7 is also an odd number, prime number. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10. Now what I will do? I will add 11 to this. So how much now? 10 plus 11? 21. Can you got the answer how to do this? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 11, 21. Understood? What I done? I have just selected only the odd numbers and those numbers also a prime numbers. Understood, children? Prime numbers and the odd numbers I have done in that way. So I hope you have understood. So shall we move on to the next one? 31 is given. How to do this 31? So let us see. So let me write 17. Okay, 17 which is a prime number, right? To this 17, let me add 3. So 17 plus 3, 20. To this, let me add 11. So 20 plus 11, 31. 31. Now we understood how to express them as the sum of the three odd numbers and also the prime number. That odd number should be the prime numbers. Now you understood, children, how to do? I hope you will do that. Nothing but I have selected only the prime numbers and that should be also an odd number. That is what I have done here. Understood? I hope you have understood. So let us move on to the next main. So see here, children, what they have given? Write 5 pairs of prime numbers. So you have to write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20. It should be less than 20. Whose sum is divisible by 5. Whose sum will be divisible by 5. That means that you should divide that sum by 5. You are able to divide that sum by 5. That is what it is given here. So let us check that 5 pairs of prime numbers. So what I will do? Let me write the first pair 13 plus 2. Here you can see 13 is a prime number, 2 is also a prime number. So 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. So I can divide this 15 by 5, right? 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Correct? Yes, like that 5 pairs I have to select. Okay, let me select one more pair. It should be less than 20, they told. 13 plus 7. Here you can see 13 also a prime number, 7 is also a prime number. So 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. Can I divide this by 5? Yes, I can divide this by 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Okay, next one I will take the example. 5 plus 5. 5 is also a prime number, odd number. Even 5 is also a prime and odd number. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Can I divide this by 5? Yes, I can divide this by 5. Divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Yes, let me write one more example. 3 plus 7. Where you can find the 3 is also prime and odd number. 7 is also a prime and odd number. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Can I divide this by 5? Yes, I can divide this by 5. 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So like this 5 pairs you should find and write. 4 pairs I have written. 1 pair you have to find yourself and you have to write. Will you do that yourself, children? I hope you will do it. Okay? Yes. Now some fill in the blanks are given in your textbook. Let me read that and this I will send you the notes also. So fill in the blanks. That is the next main. Okay? A number which has only 2 factors is called dash. A number which has only 2 factors called dash. That is nothing but the prime numbers. They are called it as the prime numbers. Next one. A number which has more than 2 factors is called dash. More than 2 factors. What is that called? Composite number. Okay. Next. 1 is neither dash nor dash. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So the answer is prime composite. Both the answer you can write. Okay. Yes, I mean 2 dashes are given. So in one dash you have to write prime. In another dash you have to write composite. Okay. Next. The smallest prime number is dash. Which is the smallest prime number, children? 2 is the smallest prime number. Next, the smallest composite number is dash. Which is the smallest composite number? 4 is the smallest composite number. The smallest even number is dash. Which is the smallest even number? 2 is the smallest even number. So till here we have finished the exercise 3.2. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. Okay, children? Okay, thank you.